Hello to the online community. We are making this brief presentation as a means to relaunch a campaign to let people know that we can integrate the MK12 to the CARE C11 software. And in this brief presentation, I'm just going to show how to link it up in some of the main functions that people are looking for to use the system. So let's jump right in. So right from the start, one of the main things people want to do with the CARE C11 software linked up to an MK12 portable is the ability to produce remedies via the output cup of the software. And for that we have to go into the remedies menu, and we have to have already in the output cup, which is the left hand side, we have to have our carrier substance and simply activate in the software the 10-second timer function, as you see us doing right now. And that should start the regular 10-second timer function in the MK12. As you can see on screen, all you would have to do is just basically wait for the software to finish its process, and as well as the MK12, and simply just remove the prepared remedy from the output cup. So as we move on, we will also be able to use the software to simply use the copy function, and for that we have to put into the input cup the substance for it to be copied to the output cup. So all you would do is simply activate the copy function, and you will notice the transfer switch as well as the 10-second timer function are activated. And that's because we know that for copying substances we need to activate these two functions. And as we know, when we are finished, we have to remove the substances from both the input and the output cup and store them. Another thing is programming and coding ECS cards with the use of the MK12. So for that, let's recall that we've got to insert them into the front slot and go to the formula remedy that we want to export onto the card, and simply activate the decode to clear out if the card was loaded, and you will notice the MK12 will respond, and secondly activate the code function, and you will notice that that LED function for that card gets activated as well. And simply after that just remove it and label it. So another commonly asked question is if we can broadcast with the MK12, and the answer is of course, absolutely. You would have to go to that menu, start a new treatment, and go about selecting the patient profile, as well as selecting any remedy for broadcasting and all rates, as you can see here, and later just established, for this example we will put 30 minutes and start the process. And as soon as we do that, you will notice that the MK12's AB LED light should start. So we use the MK12 as a broadcasting beaker, and when the treatment is finished, or we simply wanted to cancel because we wanted to add something and we might have made a mistake, we highlight it and we click on delete, and we simply confirm that we do want to do that, and simply the software stops broadcasting. If you've got any further queries, please feel free to reach out and write to us to info@copenlabs.com, or feel free also to call the office numbers. Thank you again for watching, and cheers.